Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Julie and in today's sewing tutorial I'm going to make a double circle skirt or an umbrella skirt. These are two normal circle skirts set together. This is the biggest skirt I ever made or seen and it's amazing for taking pictures. I made this big skirt from a tablecloth that I bought at the thrift store for €4. I love the blue pattern on this. Oh, I forgot to mention the best part. It has pockets! So I'm going to make two full circle skirts and set them together. I first cut the fabric into two pieces and I folded these two pieces into four. I put the measurements on the screen. You will at least need this amount of fabric unless you want to make your skirt shorter. To make a what I will call normal full circle skirt, you need to measure your waist and divide it by 6.28 or double pie, but not the goose tasting pie. So that is 12.5 for me. For a double circle skirt, you need to divide this measurement by 2, as we are going to make two full circle skirts and set them together. So for me this is 6.25. Draw this measurement in a quarter circle on top of the folded corner. For the length of the skirt, I'm going to draw a big circle. Add your desired skirt length to the measurement of your little circle and draw a second big circle. Cut this out and put yourself in repeat mode and do this again to make a second circle for this double circle skirt. If you enjoyed this video so far, you can support me and my channel by giving the video a like and leaving a comment down below. Thank you! So now it's time to open these circle skirts up. I ironed a fold in it so I would have a line to cut along. But before I set these together, I'm going to add pockets, and not just normal pockets, no, deep pockets that are actually usable. Lay your hand on a piece of fabric and draw a line where your hand can fit through. Then I laid my phone in the middle of the fabric and drawn an oval shape around it. I'm watching Friends, by the way, for the 10 times or something. You can make this oval shape as big as you want. The bigger you make it, the bigger and more functional your pockets will be. Just don't make it too big so the pocket doesn't come out of the skirt. Cut this pocket piece out. Put yourself in repeat mode and copy this pocket piece 3 times so you have 4 pieces in total. To attach the pocket pieces, measure 22 cm or 8.6 inches from the top. Attach the pockets to the sides. I always hold the skirt in front of me to see if the pockets are in a good spot. Pin the other pieces to the other sides. Then I sewn them to the fabric using a straight stitch. I also zigzag to the edges of the pockets to prevent them from unraveling. Following, lay the pieces together and pin one side of them together. Sew this together using a straight stitch. Don't forget to sew around the pockets. Adding pockets to your clothing is so easy, and it also goes rather fast, so it's really worth not skipping this step. I used to skip it all the time, and now I regret that because I have all these beautiful clothes, but they're not functional because they don't have pockets. So yeah, add pockets to your clothes. Now we need a waistband. Well, I need a waistband because I want one, but if you don't want one, that's also fine. I didn't have enough fabric left to make the waistband in one piece, so I made it in two separate pieces. I cut a rectangle from 12 centimeters on 40 centimeters, or 4.7 inches on 15.7 inches. I lost the footage where I made the second piece, I'm so sorry, but I just copied it and then I sewn the two pieces together. Then I folded the top edge of the waistband over. I used my ironer for this, and then I sewed it using a straight stitch. Lay the waistband upside down and pin it to the skirt. Sew this using a straight stitch. Now it's time to add the zipper. I started by cutting the top of the zipper and I waxed the edges by holding fire against it so they would not unravel. Just be sure that you don't put the zipper or your house on fire. Then I marked a spot a few centimeters above the zipper end. Mark this on both sides. Open the zipper up, lay it upside down on the fabric and pin one part to the fabric. Sew this to the fabric using a straight stitch, but only sew until the marking you made earlier. Lay the skirt with the inside towards you and pin the other side of the zipper to the other side of the skirt. Sew this using a straight stitch, also sew no farther than the marking you made. To close the skirt, pin the sides together and be sure to start pinning and sewing at your zipper marking. This way you close the skirt over the zipper and you don't have to finish the edges of the zipper. Don't forget to sew your pocket in as well. And then I sewn the rest of the skirt. Okay, you are almost finished there. Well, I am. I finished up the skirt by zigzagging all around it to prevent it from unraveling. Before I hemmed the skirt, I let it hang on my mannequin for a day, because people always told me to do that and I did it. It would make the skirt fall better or something like that. So next day I hemmed the skirt. I just simply fold it over a centimeter and then I sewn it in place. This took me around 25 minutes to hem the full skirt. And here I'm reloading my machine. I got to do this 2 times while hemming the skirt. So I decided to take you, the awesome viewer of this channel, to my photo shoot. I love wearing big skirts and I also love posing with them. I also made a matching hair bow because I love hair bows. If you want to make one for yourself, I will link a tutorial down below in the description. Sitting in this skirt made me feel like a princess. Double circle skirts are often used in these really big dresses that you see on Instagram all the time, and also for dancing skirts. And I want to give a big shout out to my friend and photographer for ruining his pants to make this awesome picture of me. Sam, you are the best. Thank you so much for watching this until the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you aren't already. And you can also follow me on Instagram if you like that. You can also support me on buymeacoffee.com if you would be so generous. I want to wish you a happy 2021. Let's hope it's better than 2020. Okay, bye. See you next time.